Hello everyone, welcome to HT Notes. This is our fourth video on Python programming. Today we are going to discuss about primitive data types in Python. Python has four primitive data types. They are integer, float, string and boolean. Out of these, integer and float represent numbers and string represent text and boolean represent true or false values. Let's prepare a variable to discuss this further. Variable declaration is very easy in Python because we can directly assign a value to a variable without specifying its type. Because Python automatically identifies the type based on the assigned value. If we assign x to 5, Python automatically identifies x as an integer. We can find the type of the data by using the type function like this. Type x. It shows that the type of x is integer. Let's assign y to 2.7. Let's find the type of y. Type inside the brackets. I'm going to print y. Type of y has been identified as float. If we assign x as hello, this is just an text. Let's see what is the type of z. String. Python has identified z as an string. Let's assign a to true. Let's find the type of a. Type of a is bool. Python has identified it as bool. Boolean. We can also convert data type of a variable from one to another. That is called typecasting. We'll discuss about typecasting in our next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.